Hello guys, good morning. Mag-unboxing ako guys. Ito yun, from Hokkaido. Walaan nyo kung ano ito. Very special. Nakasimple talaga. Sinakay pa ito ng airplane. This is from Hokkaido. Wow. Wow. Oh, ice. Homemade tobal. What's this? Cake cheese from Hokkaido. Check it out. Thank you for the sponsors. Sponsor pala, sponsor. Wow. This is it, guys. From his Litao. Very special, yung from Hokkaido. Sila ang, dito sa Japan. Oh, say. Cheesecake. So, tingnan natin naman. So, guys, buksan natin.
Siya nga pala, pasalubong yan sa kaibigan ng aking daughter from Hokkaido.
Very delicate.
When it comes sa milk and cheese, guys, famous dito sa Japan. All over Japan, ang Hokkaido.
Wow! Pure cheese, guys. This is a pure cheese cake from Hokkaido. Very special cake. Kaya, hiwa na tayo at tikman natin.
At yan, can't wait to taste na talaga.
Hindi lang kunin natin, guys. Yaba. Sugoy pure. Pilit kayo siya, guys. So, pilit. Cheesecake dakara. Wow! So, I'll try this little. Sugoy, guys. Oishiso. Grabe, guys. Cheesecake, baliktad lang. So, kain tayo. Tikman natin, guys.
Dahil tinamad ng tumayo, chopstick na sa harap ko.
Chopstick
yan ang ginagamit ko. Wala nang kutsara-kutsara. Can't wait to taste sa pure and yummy.
So pure.
Kain tayo, guys.
From Hokkaido.
First time, original talaga from Hokkaido, Japan. Ang sarap, guys. So guys, this is Majoyski TV. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Sa uulitin.